the difference between IELTS 6
7.5
and 9. So many people think that IELTS 9 is an unachievable task and it's like a Herculean task, but I tend to disagree. I've scored 9 on my IELTS speaking, you've scored 8.5, so it's doable. But there's a difference between the different tier lists and the different band scores. We're gonna ask the same questions from each other, and we're gonna just showcase that what do you have to do to score 6, and what do you have to do to score 7.5, and what does a 9 band score speaking sample look like. So let's go for it.
So how has the way people communicate with each other changed compared to the past?
Well, it has changed a lot. People used to write letters or maybe in person more, but nowadays with mobile phones and the internet, people just send messages quickly and it is easier and faster. But maybe it is not always better because many people do not talk face to face as much as they used to in the past. Now it's my turn to be the examiner. I'm gonna ask you the question. How has the way people communicate changed over the years compared to the past?
Okay, let's see. So communication, I think, has changed dramatically over many years. So in the past, people used to rely mostly on letters most of the time or landline. But nowadays, I think people can communicate through social media, video calls, or even instant messaging. So this has made communication, I think, much more convenient globally, all around the world. However, I think one downside of that is that face-to-face interaction has decreased. So I think sometimes conversations online feel a little less personal. So yeah.
That's 7.5 for you. Thank you, love.
Welcome. Well, now let's do a 9 band score.
Sure. Give it to me.
Okay, how has communication changed through years from past till now?
Oh, it has changed a lot. Actually, it has changed drastically. So much so that it's almost dissimilar to what it used to be. For instance, I remember the days of the past, you had to do postage, and if snail mail could even deliver, it would take between 3 to 4 weeks. But nowadays, with the push of a button, I can reach people on different continents. But at the same time, I don't think that the effects have always been totally positive. I think there are definitely downsides to it. As for myself, I for one feel like I'm more lonely than what I used to be, because I don't get to see people in person. I don't get to share my feelings as much as I used to, and it's worked to my detriment for the most part. But I cannot say that we could go back and revert all the changes that have been made, mostly because we should find ways to cope with the new system and with the new norm.
Very good, that's right. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you later.
Stay tuned.